tornado emergency for northern Sacramento. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for Sacramento County in Northern California, Yolo County in Northern California, Placer County in Northern California, until 10:52 p.m. At 10:04 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado along with torrential rainfall and damaging thunderstorms were located by trained weather spotters near Alberta, moving southwest at 34 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for northern Sacramento. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado, torrential rainfall, damaging thunderstorms and ping-pong-sized hail. Source: local law enforcement and trained weather spotters. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous and violent storm will be near Sacramento McClellan Airport around 10:13 p.m., North Sacramento around 10:18 p.m. Other locations impacted include Alberta, Rio Linda, Hanson Ranch Parkside, North Sacramento, North Natomas Regional Park, and Natomas. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.